everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious okra recipe, and typical Punjabi we call it Bhindi. I'm going to make okra with chicken. So it's going to be Bhindi chicken. This is the frozen Bhindi. You can use the fresh as well. This is 12 ounce, 340 gram. 1 pound chicken, and this is boneless, skinless chicken breast. Since okra has a lot of slime, we always use anardana or anardana powder. Anardana powder or anardana, how to make it, I have a posted video on my channel. Please check it out. But today I'm going to share with you with lemon juice. Other ingredients will be garlic, ginger, green chili, 1 teaspoon each, 1 tomato, 1 onion, olive oil for tadka, and spices from masala dabba. And let's start making our delicious Bhindi chicken. Get a fry pan, start gas, add olive oil, 2 teaspoon olive oil, add cumin seed, jeera, 1 teaspoon. Give like 10 seconds. This is good enough. Add ginger, garlic, mix it well. Cook ginger garlic until the garlicky flavor is gone. Add onion, mix it well. Keep mixing. We're going to saute the onion until they get translucent. Cooking onion for 2 minutes. Now add green chili. Cook green chili along with tadka. We're going to cook 1 more minute. As you see that the onions start to look transparent. Another minute of cooking. Add tomato. Mix it well. Bring the gas to medium. Spread it evenly. Cover with the lid, and we're going to cook on medium gas for 2 minutes. On medium gas cooking for 2 minutes, I'm going to open the lid. Mix it well. The tomatoes are tender. After mixing it well, we're going to add spices. 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, haldi, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon black pepper. Cook the spices along with tadka for half minute. Add chicken. Mix it well. Bring the gas high, and we're going to cook the chicken on high gas. So keep mixing and keep moving. On high gas, cooking chicken for 2 minutes. As you see, it started to change the color. We don't need to overcook it. This is good. Now we're going to bring okra, frozen okra. Mix it well. This was the reason I don't want to cook the chicken fully, because we're going to cook okra and the chicken will cook along. So keep mixing and keep cooking on high gas. On high gas, cooking okra, chicken for 3 minutes. And if you notice that when I move, there is a lot of sliminess. That's due to okra. I'll bring lemon juice. So about 1 teaspoon. Now mix it well and keep cooking on high gas. Bhindi with chicken cooking on high gas for 9 minutes. And if you see it's fully cooked, there is no sliminess and there is no moisture. We're going to bring the gas to simmer. So I'm going to bring 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, and we're going to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to wait for a half minute, and this is good enough. It's nicely fully cooked. And this is one of the reasons to cook on high gas. One tip I want to share with you: don't cover with the lid, otherwise the okra will get mushy. And if you see the okra itself in standing position, means there is no sliminess. It's not sticky. So it's fully cooked. We're going to turn off the gas. I have my serving karai ready and I'm going to dish out. Look at how delicious chicken, okra, Bhindi chicken. Let me share with you. Our tasty and delicious okra chicken in typical Punjabi. Bhindi chicken is all ready. Please try and comment below how it turned out for you. And you always can serve with the roti, chapati, fulka, naan. Best of all, with plain paratha. So if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.